southwestern Gillespie County,
northwestern Kendall County,
until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
At 10:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kerr Wildlife Management Area, or 20 miles west of Kerrville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
The National
Source,
Weather Service
radar
in
indicated.
San Antonio has issued a
Impact,
severe thunderstorm
hail damage to
warning
vehicles
for
is
Central
expected.
Kerr County, southwestern
Expect wind
Gillespie
damage
County,
to roofs,
northwestern
siding,
Kendall
and
County,
trees.
until 11:30 p.m.
Locations
Central
impacted
Daylight
include
Time.
Kerrville,
At
Fredericksburg,
10:31 p.m.
Comfort,
Central
Ingram,
Daylight Time,
Hunt,
a severe
Cypress Creek,
thunderstorm was
Cedar
located
Point,
near Kerr
Kerrville,
Wildlife
Shriner
Management
Park,
Area,
Kerr Wildlife
or 20
Management
miles
Area,
west of Kerrville, moving east at 35
For your
miles
protection,
per hour.
move to an interior room
Hazard,
on the lowest
60
floor of a
miles per
building.
hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
Your
hail
weather
damage to
synopsis for
vehicles
South
is
Central
expected.
Texas.
Expect
A
wind
cold front
damage
will
to
move through
roofs,
West Texas
siding,
Friday
and trees.
afternoon.
Locations impacted include Kerrville, Fredericksburg, Comfort, Ingram, Hunt, Cypress Creek, Cedar Point, Kerrville Shriner Park, Kerr Wildlife Area, and Waltonia. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.